The answer is yes and no. Motorola Edge 60 Fusion may have eSIM, but this depends on the region. It depends in which country you are purchasing this phone, because in some countries eSIM is actually not available. If it is available, you can find it by going to settings, then you can choose network and internet, then open SIMs and mobile network, and over here we can press download new SIM in order to set up an eSIM. And after that, of course, we will open the rear camera in order to scan the QR code, or you can enter the activation code manually over here, or you can use a photo if you actually have a photo in your gallery, and then you can scan it as well. For example, I think, I'm not 100% certain, but I believe in such countries as India, eSIM is actually not available, so it is worth contacting the seller, whoever is selling the phone to us, in order to ask if the phone actually has eSIM in your region. And that's all. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.